Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to change your name in the Meesho application using your mobile device. Changing your name in Meesho is super easy. First of all, launch open the Meesho app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in, from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. You will then be able to open the account tab. Now, click on your name once again, and this will take you to the Edit Profile Information page. Go to your full name tab and erase the current one. Write down your new name you want to change to. After typing down the name, click on Save at the bottom. And that's how you easily change your profile name on Meesho. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.